Welcome back. This part is very simple and very useful. We're gonna talk about the days of the week. Simply, I would like to highlight something. Here, the working days in Egypt will start at Sunday, and our official weekend, Friday and Saturday. So Friday and Saturday is the weekend, then Sunday we start our working days, okay? So let's start from the working days, which is El-Had, which is Sunday. El-Had. Say it. El-Had. Again. El-Had. Great. One more. El-Had. Okay. Then Monday, which is El-Ithneen. 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 Okay. El-Ithneen. Then we have Tuesday, we call it El-Talat. El-Talat. You know, it's close to the word Talata. Okay. Which is, you know, you can just mark this word to link it with the number 3, okay? So, El-Talat, okay? Then, El-Arba, which is Wednesday, El-Arba, also you can link it with the number 4, okay? El-Arba. Then, Thursday, we call it El-Khames, you can link it with the number 5, which is Khamsa, okay? El-Khames. Then we have the 2 weekend days, which is Friday, El-Gom'ah. Then finally we have Saturday, which is El-Sabt. Which is Saturday. Okay, that was all for this part for now. Come on, let's go to the next part.